Hi, today we are going to see one more topic from Informatica MDM, that is creation of ORS. ORS means Operational Reference Store. I've already explained to you about the Informatica MDM architecture. It consists of three layers. The top tier is user interface layer, that is Hub Console. The middle tier is application server layer, that is security purpose. That is for security purpose, and it authenticates the users who are all log into the Hub Console. And third one is database layer, which consists of master database and ORS, that is the user defined database. Master database is created at the time of installation, and it mostly contains the system related information. And ORS is created by the user, and it is going to contain the user defined tables like landing table, staging table, and base objects. Okay. First, we will see the steps to create the ORS. In MDM terminology, it is called as database, but it is a schema in Oracle. See, this is the Hub Console, and under the configuration workbench, click the databases. It shows the list of databases, nothing but schemas that is presently available in the Oracle. Okay, and we are going to create the schema only, that is empty schema. How we are going to create the empty schema means the Informatica's company itself provided us with some scripts. We are going to run the script to create that empty schema. I will show the path now. This is the path. This is the path. The scripts are available. The scripts are available over here. We are going to execute the Windows batch file sip_ant.bat. Okay. And I can open the command window here itself by just pressing the shift and right click. Here, just I open the command window here. For execution of the batch file, just type the batch file name, and we have to pass the parameter create ORS for the creation of the operational reference store. See, we have to type the parameters, and most of the parameters are pre-configured one. That means there is no need to key in the parameters. It's already available. Just you have to press the enter key. But if you want to familiarize yourself, the installation process, the creation of the ORS, if you want to familiarize yourself, you have to practice 3 or 4 times. At that time, you can enter the database name like Oracle or whatever be the parameters we are going to key in, that we can type 1 or 2 times. Then only we can make ourselves familiar. But here I am going to just type the enter. It will automatically, that Oracle will come. And here we can implement the MDM in 3 databases only. One is Oracle, other one is MS SQL Server, other one is DB2. Okay. Here we are going to create the ORS in the Oracle database. Service, just type service. Connection type, 2 types are there, service and SID. We are always using the service only. I will show it in the SQL developer. Okay. The service name and DB service name. And local host only. DB host name is local host name. The server means you can give the server details. You are going to install in the server. And port number is always 1521. That is universal throughout the world. That is the Oracle port number. Then I already told the DB service name. You can get it from here, the SQL developer, where just type this plus symbol. Here you can get it. Okay. Just type any connection. The service name is ORCL, and the DB service name is also same thing only. Okay. Just go over here. Type ORCL. Then type the TNS name is also ORCL. But in the real-time environment, there will be one file available called tnsnames.ora. From there, you can get the entire details. Okay, remember tnsnames.ora. And this is, we don't want to change anything. Give n. And now I'm going to give the schema name. I'm going to give ecom_ors. And make sure that caps lock not on. And this is related to language, that en_us is English_us. Okay. FR French, JA Japanese, KO Korean, and CN stands for Chinese. And DBA username always a system only. And password is these are all pre-configured one. Type cmx_index, cms_temp for temporary table space, and Oracle temporary table spaces temp. Okay, these are all pre-configured. There is no need to change the name at all. Just press enter, enter, enter. See, we have created the schema ecom_ors. Now we are going to create the connection in Oracle. Okay. And service name is ORC. Don't use SID. It says it. Now the test has got succeeded. Save it and connect it. Then you select start from tab, nothing will be there. So we can make sure that this is empty schema. No tables are available. And we are going to import all the repository tables now. Now we have created the empty schema by using the script provided by the Informatica company. The SIP_ANT.batch is the name of the script. You need to keep in mind. SIP_ANT.batch. This is a Windows batch file that is available in the path what I have shown to you. Okay. We are going to import the repository tables by just changing the parameter. You are going to execute the same script by changing the parameter. Now we are going to give import_ors. The same thing here. You can just keep the default as it is, the pre-configured one. You can just type the enter key, ORCL only. ORCL. No. Just type enter. Now you need to key in the correct ORS name. Now same thing, English only. Here you have to give timeline granularity at day 3. That within that square brackets they have given that 3. You just type enter or 3. Just type 3. That's it. Now the script has got started. Now we can see the number of tables here. See, the table is getting created. 2 sets of tables will be created. One is a repar, another one is a repose. In the coming session, I will explain in detail about the various system tables and the supporting tables, which are most essential. We cannot study all the system tables that is available in the Informatica MDM. It will take months together. So we are not going to do that. We are going to concentrate on the important system tables and supporting tables. I will be explaining what is repas and repo. Okay. It shows 284, and after the completion, it will show 295 actually. It will take at least 3 to 4 minutes because a lot of tables, 295 tables need to be created. You have to be patient. So it is quicker only. Now we can check the number of tables. Initially it showed 280 like that. Now it will be around 290 something. But the tables are got created. First we created the empty schema. Now we have imported the repository tables. Okay, system tables. Now we are going to register the ORS in the Hub console for our MDM implementation. Okay. Acquire lock. Lock is there. Then go ahead and make sure that script has got completed. See, it took 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Okay. The script finished. You should see this message. Build a successful script finished. Then only you can proceed with the register ORS. Register ORS. The window is showing that select the type of the database Oracle. Then service. Don't select SID. Then key in the database display name. Then give ecom. Database host name. Local host. And don't touch this machine identifier, which is a pre-configured. It always comes. Don't do any changes. Service ORCL only. DNS service, DNS name ORCL only. Then schema name, ecom, underscore ORS. Password, admin. Connection URL, you leave as it is, it automatically comes. That's just it. Right? We need to check the connection parameters. Just check. Okay, I think we have some typo error is there. Just now we have corrected it. The database connection test succeeded. And make sure that create a data source after registration. Okay, you just check this. Don't forget to check this. Now finish. That name will come over here. Registering database. Now you can see the ecom here. See? Now we are able to see that ecom here. So far we have seen the creation of the ORS, the import of the repository tables, and the registration of the ORS. That is nothing but schema. Okay. Here properties. Database type is Oracle, and this is the link database ID. Using this, we can link to the database. Okay, the external application can use this database ID and JNDY database name. This is one. Machine identifier, don't touch it, is always the same. And get list and the limit was 200. Don't click this production mode. If you click this production mode, then you cannot do any enhancement or development in the ORS. Finally, after all the things over, that the match and match, everything is over, means finally you can move it to the production mode, unless otherwise you don't click it. Okay. These are all the some important properties. So far we have seen this how to create important the registration of the ORS. See, I will show how to connect to this ORS. Now we can change it. Now we can change it with ecom ORS. No, ecom brand new ORS, brand new ORS. Okay, brand new ORS. We go to the schema. Go to see, nothing is there. Base object 0, landing table 0. See here, go here shows 0. And go to the batch viewer. No script is there. And total empty, total empty. And you can go over here also, where I can go to systems and trust. And no systems will be there except admin. So everything is empty. It's a brand new ORS, so that you can start with the MDM implementation. So this is the way you need to create the ORS and register the ORS. Okay. The rest of the topic we will see in the next video. Thanks. Bye.